Greetings from Orhem's Skogen, the forest of Orhem, here in this beautiful nature reserve out on Lake Drevviken. It is 9th of November 2024, cloudy Saturday with just 6 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the lake Drevviken it is 8 degrees Celsius, so at least it is warmer in the water. And I have found this interesting, nice wild beach spot that it is also a spontaneous nudist beach spot here, especially at this time of the year where basically there is nobody in the whole forest. And I cycled 9 kilometers today to get here from my home with my Scott gravel bike. It took me 22 minutes. It was quite a nice ride. There is basically no wind, and you can see how the forest looks like. That is overlooking the lake. So the forecast looks like it's going to be exactly like this for the next 10 days. Temperatures between 5 and 8 degrees and mostly cloudy. So it is my very first time that I am on this beach spot. I have actually explored a bit over there, closer to the Orhem neighborhood. This is a bit more further, but the lake looks amazing, and we can see also there is even an island on the other side, Holmen, and as you can see, and all behind this is forest, and on the other side it's also close by the lake Flaten. But this one is Lake Drevviken, and this is where I actually go for ice skating in the winter that soon will be here, and this lake will be frozen. But there are a few more weeks until that happens. And here it is also very convenient to get in, as it is not so deep and not so rocky. So yes, beach adventures with Chris, we continue in this beautiful nature, and today is beach day number 198 on my Sweden beach adventures this year, and we are gonna make the record for sure. It is now certain, as the weather is gonna stay like this, and it will be now very quick dips, but soon when the lakes are in, I think I will do some few winter baths before we close the season. Let's see how that goes. Cool. Yes, I won't be standing here without clothes for so long, as it is quite chilly indeed, and after that I need to put on back my warm clothes and cycle back home. Today, right now it is 3 o'clock exactly, so quite late, as it will get, the sunset is at 3:40 now, so I need to hurry up, as I didn't get the lights on my bike with me. But yeah, usually Saturdays I go later, because in the morning I go for body pump in my local swimming pool and gym, and I'll also do some swimming and sauna, and yeah, now I'm here. So let's then get going and enjoy yet another beach adventure with Chris. As I mentioned, 8 degrees Celsius in the water, and the water is so steady. Now I'm gonna make it a bit more wavy. But yeah, quite cold, so this will be a short dip for sure. Here is how this beach spot looks like today in Orhem, and I'm showing you this for the first time, if I'm not completely mistaken, and I forgot that I was here. Ooh, freezing. So quick dip here. Let's then go. Nice, very nice, very nice indeed. Whew. Super nice dip in the lake. It's not that cold, to be fair, especially now when there is no wind. It is quite nice indeed. So with this lovely view from this interesting spontaneous nudist beach spot in Stockholm at Orhem, I'm wrapping up today's main part of my beach vlog. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment on this video, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.